June 6th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. Had a great weather day yesterday across the region. Low humidity, temperatures a little bit cooler. Great day to spend some time outside. These are your final highs from around the region. Even a couple sites in the Triad viewing area, only in the upper 70s yesterday afternoon. 79 the high in Lexington and Asheboro, some low 80s elsewhere. There's the Charlotte viewing area, high temperatures yesterday. Low to mid 80s across the foothills and the Piedmont, some 70s in the high country. Again, a lot of sunshine, but did have some high clouds at times. Just a couple of puffy afternoon cumulus clouds developing as well, but it was a very quiet weather day across the region. All right, there's a look from Winston-Salem State this morning. That eastern horizon brightening here during the 5 a.m. hour. Temperature 62 degrees in Winston-Salem this morning. We'll take a look up in the high country. That is the Beach Mountain Parkway cam. Well, looks like that Beach Mountain temperature sensor offline this morning, but there's the Charlotte Dowd YMCA camera. Beautiful, clear sky overhead. Temperature in Charlotte 63, and still manageable levels of humidity again this morning. There's your regional temperature 62 in Fayetteville, Wilmington 65, Columbia 64, and Boone at 60. Dew point temperatures still fairly low. And for a lot of us across the Piedmont, down into that comfortable portion, or at worst, the workable portion of our dew point comfort scale. So not bad at all here as we go through this Wednesday. But a little bit of a different weather scenario today compared to recent days. I'll show you what in just a second. Radar quiet for the time being. Have some areas of showers and storms in the northeastern Gulf, though, moving into Florida today. Some big areas of rain and storms in Minnesota. Back into parts of South Dakota. That's on the tail end, the trailing end of a cold front, which will drop into the Carolinas today. Now, that front does not have much moisture to work with, so you notice not a lot of showers and thunderstorms there on our future radar, but there will be some. I think a few isolated showers and storms, they'll be very widely separated, but a few isolated showers or storms popping up today nonetheless. All right, well, there you go. Dew point comfort scale working in there again. All right, here we go. Well, that is unique. As we go through the day, we have a frontal boundary dropping in. That's going to be enough to kick off a few isolated showers or thunderstorms for us today. High temperatures topping out in the 80s. Lows tonight, not bad. Fairly comfortable. Tomorrow, behind a frontal boundary, should be basically a rain-free weather setup for us. Our highs look like that for your Thursday. And then finally on Friday, that next cold front gets a little closer to us. Notice the flow of wind, more of a southeasterly direction there for Friday. A few thunderstorms a possibility Friday afternoon, but I still think most of us dry. A little warmer Friday. There's your highs. Now, as we get into the weekend, that front will drop in here. So here we go from Sunday into Monday. You notice that front dropping into and eventually through a lot of the region. And so we are looking at some scattered thunderstorms over the weekend. Most widespread, I'll say Sunday and then lingering into Monday. Not a washout, but again, some increasing scattered storm chances for the weekend. All right, tropical update time. We'll look at the big view across the Atlantic Basin. It is still very quiet. No sign of any tropical troubles brewing. Still have this rather disorganized area of showers and storms in the western parts of the Caribbean Sea up into the Bahamas, but again, absolutely no sign of any organization there. No pooling areas of atmospheric moisture there across the Atlantic Basin, so things are very, very quiet. So no sign of any tropical development over the next 3 to 5 days. All right, that's it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.